Hello, I am Jane. I'm going to explain how to use a multimeter. This is the Mueller 3102 which called pocket tester. I'm gonna test to check what the problem is of my daughter's toy. First, I tried self-continuity test of the tester. Then, turn the lottery switch to DC voltage mode and contact the probe front and back side of the battery. If the polarity changed, it is okay. The tester just shows minus value. Oh. It looks batteries are okay. Then I tested continuity to check if the line has a problem. There is a problem on the line which you cannot hear the beeper sound. And then, I check the milliampere. Before you check milliampere, you have to break the circuit between the power and the resistance. Here the toy has broken the circuit, so I can check the milliampere. Contact each probe to the power and resistance side. The LED light will be on. Thank you very much for watching.